In today's episode, we will be focusing on if, elif, and else in Python. If, elif, else are conditional statements that provide you with the decision making that is required when you want to execute code based on a particular condition. Let's take a look at how if, elif, else are used in PyCharm IDE. In this example, we are going to create a variable with a value of 5. We will then make an if statement that checks if the variable equals 6 and a print statement that verifies it. We will proceed with an elif statement that asks if the variable equals 5 and to print if it does. And to finish up, we will use an else statement that prints equals nothing. As you can see, we get equals 5 because the variable has the value of 5. This is if, elif, and else. If you found this video in any way helpful, make sure to follow the PySociety on Twitter and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications.